Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. Thanksgiving means a couple things for college students. Home-cooked food, done by mom. Laundry, also done by mom. So today we're going to be making a paracord laundry bag. For this project, you'll need about 100 feet of paracord, so that's 10 pieces cut to 9 feet each. You also need a 1-inch ring or keychain, a plastic cord lock, and a trash can. Let's face it, after 2 months away at college, you probably have more dirty laundry than fits in your hamper. Let's get right into it. So start by taking some of your leftover cord and wrapping it around the top of the trash can. For now, we're just going to tie an overhand knot. Tie it tight enough that it'll friction fit to the trash can. Then take your pre-cut lengths, fold them in half, and put them down through the top. We're going to be making a cow hitch. That'll keep our ends from sliding around so that our two lengths stay even. We'll do that with all 10 of those and distribute them around the trash can. So to start out, take 2 adjacent cords, cross the left side over the right. Then this right side cord, we're going to be folding back into a U, like that. Take our original right side cord and bring it back underneath. And then we'll bring our right side cord over the top of all of that. So we have an S with that cord. And then we're going to be bringing this cord down again over the top of the cords, except we'll go underneath that last cord. Before you tighten, it looks like that. Then pull on all 4 cords. And you get this nice square-shaped knot. Keep making this knot with the adjacent cords all the way around the trash can. Once you get done with the first row, make sure that they're all even distance from the original cord. Once you're done with the first row, you can move on to the second and do basically the same thing. Take 2 adjacent cords that are not part of the same knot and tie them together using the crown knot. Alright, so we've made it most of the way down the trash can. I fit in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're on our 8th row. You can do as many of these as you want until your cord runs out. We're going to start tapering it off to the bottom of the trash can. So what I'm going to do is flip my can over and pull it towards the bottom of the can. As I've gone down, I've been gradually making my distance between knots smaller and smaller, so that it's going to taper to the end. Alright, so continuing on, we're just going to keep on making a couple of these knots, but I'm going to leave smaller and smaller space in between. I think after one more row, I'm going to cut my 20 cords down to 10. So then I'll show you how that's done in just a second. So it's probably a little bit hard to see with this massive purple rope right here, but we're going to cut half of our cords off, melt them, and just end them right there. So like on this knot here, we're going to want to take the cord that's most towards the bottom in our square. So that's this one here, and cut the one that's kind of coming out the side. And then we're going to carry on like we did before, but just with every other cord. So we're going to have pentagon shape instead of a square shape between our cords. So the way I did my knots, it's going to be the right side knot on each one. Just clip that about 1/4 inch away from the knot. Make sure you don't cut any cords that you don't mean to. Oftentimes I'll flatten the end of the paracord with the lighter, like this, but I'm just going to let these melt into a wider circle. When I flatten them, it makes some sharp edges, and I don't want those to catch on clothing. Alright, so now we're down to 10 cords, and this still looks like kind of a jumble. We're going to go ahead and now just grab 1 cord from each and make our knots like usual. All right, so now once again, we're going to cut our number of cords down to half the amount. So again, we'll take the right side cord out of every pair and trim that down. So once again, this final row, take each pair and tie them together. All right, now that we're down to our 5 cords, we're getting very close to the end. So now we're going to anchor them all to the ring. So take 1 cord, loop it onto the ring, then fold it back on itself. This is similar to the barrel knot or double fisherman's knot. Once you loop it through the ring, fold it back on itself, and then begin to wrap it back down around both strands towards the ring again. Once you do 2 full loops around, go ahead and stick the cord back through the loop. And tighten that down. You want each of these to be about the same length. I'm going to tighten mine a little bit more. You can really use any knot to attach this. This is just a nice finished one that I like to use. All right, so our knot tying is done. We can take it off of the trash can. With our drawstring, we can pull that together. Way out here where this knot is, we want to replace this knot with our cord lock. We tied the knot just to keep this cord tight, but now that we are done, we can just take both ends and stick it through the hole. On the very end, you can finish it off with whatever knot you'd like. I often do a lanyard knot. Like that, so that your cord lock doesn't come off the end. So there's our laundry bag all done. Works great for clothes, for gym equipment. You can even fit a basketball or volleyball through the neck of this. We'll put links in the description to where you can buy paracord and the other hardware used in this project. Hope you guys liked this one. If you did, leave us a like, and be sure to subscribe if you want to get notified next time we make a video. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.